Hi guys, welcome back to the second part. So I have my data link adapter attached already using a Nexic USB link 2. Keys off, so we're gonna start the key. All right. For demonstration purposes, I unplugged my sensor. I unplugged it because guys that I'm not able to communicate with the engine. This up again, so we're gonna turn sideways. So we're gonna click connect. I'm using J Pro. The reason why I'm using J Pro, as you can see over here, I have Cummins inside as well. But why am I using J Pro? Because J Pro talks to the cab, right? So J Pro is a generic scan tool, so it's gonna talk to my ABS, to my cab controller, to my CECU, which is like the cab part of it of Kenworth. So what this program does is talk to all the modules. So in here, this is how I discovered that I couldn't talk to Cummins, to my Cummins ECM, right? So it's loading up, as you can see. So it's loading up right there. So it almost loaded. You see right here. So it's gonna ask us for a VIN. We just hit cancel. We don't care for that. As you can see, that's the fuck what I was getting. J9039 CAN bus failure, timeout or data flash. So as you can see here, I don't see the I can't see the Cummins ECU, right? So and then whenever we go to with data monitor, so we're gonna go to data monitor. In here, it's gonna, and then we go to electrical. Oh no, my bad. It was a power diagram. Sorry. So as you can see, my engine right here is not communicating, right? I don't know why. So I'm connecting to the pad car because I'm looking at it and it's 12.9 volts. And everything's there, everything's fine there, but I cannot connect to the engine. Man, I'm recording a shitty ass video. Anyways, and as you can see right there, it says cannot detect engine, right? Because I have the sensor unplugged over there. So as you see right there, we cannot detect engine. So I cannot detect it, and I'm showing you guys what, like, my data link is it's off. I'm right there, keys on. As the other thing is that I cannot see my mileage and my engine hours. I cannot see them. So that tells me messed up, right? So this is the first time I'm gonna connect to the engine side of it, to my laptop. So we're gonna close this out. We already know it's not communicating, and I don't need the software. I do like J Pro, but at the same time I don't. I like to go straight to where I need it. So now we're gonna open Cummins, and on Cummins, this is Cummins Insight. So the sensor.
Is that it?
Huh?
It's already.
What?
It's already.
Oh yeah, no, we're good. That's my fucking Pro there. Look. So then I'm gonna plug this in, and I'm not playing with you guys. Look, you can hear the engine. So VGT, moving. The VGT self-calibrates whenever the key's on. Oh, so I plugged it in. I'm gonna go back to the truck, guys. My mileage is back. My engine hours is not there. So whenever you run the unit, the engine hours populate. See, my engine hours is gonna populate right now. Come on, don't let me look fucking bad on this shit. We do have a check engine light. Well, my mileage is gonna populate. My engine hours, they will populate, but it's perfectly fine. So engine off, key on. I'm gonna go back over here. I'm gonna go to my software over here, which is Cummins Insight. I'm gonna click USB link 2 because that's the one we're using. I'm gonna connect. So before, I didn't show you guys this, but before I wasn't able to connect to the engine ECU. I was not able to. I use inline 6. I use USB link. I use all of them, and I couldn't connect to it. Oh look, well that's the owner. That's the truck owner. Let this shit load in, and oh look, okay, so I'm already in. So it's connected now. Oh, this shit is laggy. So as you can see, my man, why is it doing this? My engine serial number there is populated. It's a Cummins B 6.7, I'm gonna go to fog coats. This video looks, it's acting weird. Power supply lost with ignition. That is weird. So we're gonna go upwards and see what other fog coats we have. We have exhaust gas recirculation, coolant level, and exhaust gas bank 1. So those are inactive. The only one active is power supply lost with ignition on. So even the ECM recognizes that it lost its power, but why doesn't it not make it start though? That's the weird thing, you know. So obviously we're done with this truck, but we're gonna clear the fog coats, gonna reset them, and that's about it. I mean, the unit is fixed. It came in for no start, so the unit is fixed. Keep an eye for that coolant level sensor. Never in my whole career I ever dealt with a coolant level sensor that it was bad. This video looks retarded, but hopefully I could edit that. See you guys later.